Git merge and rebase both combine branches, but one rewrites history. Here's the difference. When you run git merge, Git creates a brand new merge commit that joins two branches together. Your original commits stay exactly as they are. The feature branch history and the main branch history are both fully preserved. Open git log and you'll see the forked paths, the commits on each branch, and exactly where they came together. Rebase works differently. Instead of creating a merge commit, it takes your commits and replays them one by one on top of the target branch. Each replayed commit gets a new hash, but carries the same changes. The result is a perfectly linear history. It looks like your feature was always built directly on top of main. So which should you use? Merge keeps the full, honest history, but it can clutter your log with merge commits. Rebase gives a cleaner, more readable log, but it rewrites commits, changing their hashes. That rewriting is why you should never rebase a shared branch. Teammates who already pulled those commits now have incompatible history. Golden rule, only rebase commits no one else has seen. Merge preserves history. Rebase gives a linear log. Both are useful. Just never rebase shared branches. Follow for more Git tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.